This AI mathematics. Good day. We have to discuss law of indices today because we have been applying indices in all topics in many calculation subjects. But what's the meaning of indices? Indices is plural of index. Index also is known as exponent or raised power, and we have certain laws that we need to follow, just like log with our table. Let me quickly say one or two laws before we start solving question. So the first one is this: a raised power m multiplied by a raised power n is equal to a raised power m plus n. That is, when we have the same value and we have multiplication between them, just add the power. For instance, 2 raised power 10 times 2 raised power 3 will be equal to, because 2 is 2, that will be 2 raised power, to add the power, that's 2 raised power 13. Another one is a raised power m, division between them, a raised power n is same as a raised power m over a raised power n, which is the same thing as a raised power m minus n. For instance, if 2 raised power 10, division sign between them, 2 raised power 3, we have it to be what? 2 raised power 10 over 2 raised power 3. That's 2 raised power 10 minus 3, which is equal to 2 raised power 7. 3, a raised power 0 is equal to 1. That is, any number that's raised to power 0 is equal to 1. 10 raised to power 0 is 1. 100 raised to power 0 is equal to 1. 99 raised to power 0 is equal to 1. Another very important thing is this: rule 4. If you have a raised power minus n, that is a 1 over a raised power n. That is, when you have 5 raised power minus 1, 5 raised power minus 2, 5 raised power minus 3, that is 1 over 5 raised power 1, that's 1 over 5 raised power 2, and 1 over 5 raised power 3. This one will be 1 over 5. This one will be 1 over 5 times 5, that's 25. 25. This one is 5, 5. And this one is 1 over 1, 2, 5. 1 to 5. Then, another one that's very important. Let's say we have a raised power n bracket m. It means a raised power n times n. That is, if we have 2 raised power 10 raised power 3, it means 2 raised power 10 times 3 is equal to 2 raised power 30. This is 5. 6 now. We have a raised power m over n. The same thing as you introduce this sign. A will be here, n will be here, and m will be here. That is, let's say we have 16 raised power 2 over 3, 16 raised power 3 over 2, 16 raised power 4 over 5. You introduce this. This one is a denominator. You write it here. 16 here, and you write square here. Square here. This one, you introduce the sign. 16 will be here, 2 will be here, then 16 will be here. You have 3. This one, you have 16 here, 5 here, and 4 here. You can see that when we have the numerator to be 3, we have it here. And raised by 2 is here. When we have this one to be 2, this is 2. But in most cases, you don't usually write it. So which means if nothing is written here, it means it's 2. This one is 4 and that, like that. Another important one is rule 7. Rule 7. Rule 7. Rule 7. If A multiplied by B raised power C is same as A raised power C times B raised power C. That is, if you have 2 multiplied by 3 raised power 4, it means 2 raised power 4 times 3 raised power 4. Another one, if A raised power X equal to A raised power Y, then S is equal to Y. Then if 2 raised power X equal to 2 raised power 4, S is equal to 4. Another one, is this. Let's say A is B over C equal to D. A raised power B over C equal to D. So, for instance now, let's say our X raised power 3 over 2 is equal to 64. Equal to 64. What would be the X? What would be the X? Our X now will now be equal to 64 raised power 2 over 3. If let me try to portray this point very well. If A raised power C equal to D, which means our A will be equal to D raised power C over B. You know, the inverse of it. Which means if you have X raised power 3 over 2 equal to 64, our X will now be equal to 64 raised power 2 over 3. And what does that mean? You find the cube root of this, which will now give us the cube root of this 64. So the cube root of 64 is 4. That's X now be equal to 4 raised power 2. X will be equal to 16. So I'll be able to give you some rules under indices. Our next class will solve enough questions on indices, but you need 1, 2, 3 or more questions to solve a question under indices. Thanks for watching me. Like me, share me, and follow me.